Hello, welcome. We're on the MSC Divina in room 12269, a balcony room. Let's step in. When you first come in, you have a closet right here with your life preservers, which they will teach you in the briefing. Umbrellas, hangers. Not a lot of room. You could go with one person with one side, one person with the other, but your mileage may vary. We have some cubby holes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 drawers. Kind of small. A safe, sturdy. But that is it for your storage room, except for your nightstands. We'll get to that. We have old school temperature or old school thermostat. Warmer or cooler? You get no numbers. You either want a warmer or you want a cooler. And one of the things, this ship was built first started sailing May of 2012. And because of that, and I don't believe it's had a dry dock or refresh, you see certain stuff like this. Not saying it's a bad ship. However, somebody need to do some maintenance. Here we have the bathroom. Let's get a full shot of that. It won't take long because it's a little on the small side. Now, because we're not in the yacht club, we have the regular white layout here instead of the granite or stone. Got 2 cups here. Mirror is fairly large with a side mirror. Along here you see some of that old wear and tear where somebody needs to refresh. They need to call Mr. Bookman in, go ahead and fix these mirrors. You have an outlet up here for your shaving or whatever to plug in. Water, soap, shelving for your personal items. Here we have their interesting setup for a shower. So they wanted to give you a door, but they didn't want to pay enough to get you an actual door. As they said, but because I know people complain about the shower curtains, and they're like, I got something for you. Here you go. We got magnets.
That don't work.
And we got the clothes. So here, technically, you are closed in. However, when you put it away, you got to close it up like this to get it out the way. Now, it is an interesting way because you don't run into actual hard door trying to move around. It just looks funky. On the inside, we have shampoo and body wash for those of us that use it. My wife does not trust their shampoo or their body wash. I'm hardcore. I take my body wash and shampoo straight to the head and my belly. So I'm a guy. I don't care. I use their stuff. I'm like, does it smell fruity? I'm good. We have adjustable shower head. If you twist this, supposedly it can go up and down. Oh, here we go. And you can take it off to go ahead and wash your bits. Of note, if you're a little on the clumsy side, it'll actually fall off the wall and break. Now, if y'all notice, I didn't do a lot for that. All I did was move my arm. So technically, I could have been in there washing my belly, and it could have fell, and I'd have had an incident in here. And now I have no wash. Oh, so I guess that's how they put it on. Whoever it was didn't secure it when they put it in there very well. Well, if you ever wondered how they fill them, that's how they do it. Anywho, give me a minute. Give me a minute.
Waterworks.
Waterworks. Although it ain't getting hot. Still got a piece of my head. Here we go, moving in. We have the nightstand, one nightstand with the very nice corporate phone. That's some high-tech, high speed right there. They wanted to give you the nostalgia feel, and that's why they made it like an old desktop. The same color, that eggshell white desktop. But if you will notice, there is no plugins anywhere on the side of the bed. Like I said, 2012, we ain't had to plug in a whole bunch of stuff, I guess. You have two drawers over here. If you thought those were small, whew, I guess you could use them for your socks and your underwear, but you know. Off to the left here, we have this large magic mirror, strategically placed across from the bed. Anyway, if you want to get ready, be like, shh, 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 shh. And now you're ready in front of the whole big mirror. If you happen to be diamond status, they will give you some flippity floppities and some robes. Hopefully it will be enough to cover my belly. If not, I'll be up there like, how you doing?
Normally on the smaller side.
Yeah. Here we have the other side. Again, no plugs or anything, but you got the two small doors right here. Moving on. Oh, and for the bed on this side. There is one on the other side? Oh, so we can just battle all night long. Turn it off! Now turn it on! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off! Here we have the sofa that pulls out. Apparently it pulls out into a bed. We haven't looked at it, but you can tell that by the little springs they got right here that it is a pull-out bed. Sofa bed. Have a small table here, which actually looks quite nice. And it's got some heft to it. Guess they don't want no drunken people up there throwing it around and stuff. Again, additionally, if you're diamond status, they will give you a complimentary bottle of either champagne or whatever liquor you would choose. No? Just Prosecco?
No, it's just Prosecco.
That's right. That's only if you're in yacht club that you get to choose what bottle you have.
Yeah.
Because they give you champagne and a secondary bottle. Out here, if you're not in yacht club, you just get the Prosecco, which I will use. This, I can almost guarantee, I don't drink a lot of it, so it's going to get opened on next New Year's. This is New Year's 2024's drink right here. It's April right now. Here, oh, you additionally get some chocolate. This is what they give you now versus the very large hard chocolate chip they used to give you for being a specialty diamond or whatever. And you get a complimentary thing of macaroons. Hope you like macaroons, because we don't, so they just gonna sit there. I recommend they give you a choice. Fruit would have been better. Here you have 221, or actually two 220 volt sockets. Two European, two 110 volt American plugs. That is not for us, so I guess that's for them. The phone jack for if they had a phone over here. I guess sometimes they move it over here. Sometimes they have it over by the bed. Light switches.
Not sure what that one is.
I wonder, it might be outside. I don't know. You actually have a ice bucket, complimentary one glass, tongs. Here we have the refrigerator. Nothing's in it, thankfully, because I don't want to pay for any of that. Although it doesn't exactly feel all that cold right at the moment. Did they turn this off? Its name is Absorption Refrigerator. Oh, I'm feeling it's toward the bottom. You got to get toward the bottom and toward the back for it to get cold. Along with that, you got a chair, the little square chair they got for you to sit down, for the missus to sit down and put on her makeup if she wants, so chooses, along with in front of her other big mirror. They also give you a hair dryer. Do not pull hard, the electric cable. Do not pull hard, the electric cable. Alrighty then. Wow. Woo. But it is a European ship, so. And another drawer right here. I'd say that's about a 19-inch, 20-inch TV.
14-inch.
Nope, it is not 14-inch because my laptop is 15-inch and my laptop screen is smaller than this one. So it is not, I'd say it's like 19-inch. It's got to be about a 19-inch TV. Hooked onto, you watch that for your briefing and whatever they have on the TV. The SyncMaster 220A300. So this is a monitor. There are no TVs. This is actually a monitor.
Okay.
Anyways, let's go out to the balcony. For footage right here, you can see not exactly a large balcony, but it's big enough. I've seen smaller ones. Thankfully, a sliding door instead of a open and close, like a open and close type door, so you can be like, oh. Here we are. This is the balcony. We can play tag in this balcony. Tag, you're it. See? Okay. We got two chairs, one over here, one over here, one footrest, so I guess we gotta go ahead and arm wrestle or fight it out for the footrest. We'll let you know how that battle went. Anything else? And that concludes the tour of the room 12269 on the MSC Divina. Thank you very much. Please subscribe. Help of note, on a side note, I spoke to someone and I only just found out that some people believe that subscription button actually costs something. The subscribe button does not cost any money. All it does is it puts the subscription in your videos. To pay for it, that's the Patreon thing. You don't do that. All you gotta do is click the little bell for the subscribe. Give us a thumbs up if you want. Or if you want to give us a dislike, hit dislike twice. Thank you very much. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.